Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you how to make this type of letter logo in the Illustrator. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file, and from here taking the new artboard, which is 20 pixel, actually 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, CMYK color mode, 300 dpi or ppi, and hit the create button. You'll get an artboard which is really blank, and then going to the ellipse tool, making the ellipse like this. After that, turn off this fill color, give the stroke thickness like 100. Okay, make the circle size smaller by pressing and holding shift and option or alter button. Okay, that's good. I'll make it a little bit smaller. And now going to the line tool and drawing another line. I want to make this one same thickness or border thickness. That's why I just draw this one at a time. Okay, selecting these two stroke mode and going to the object and expand this one and go to the okay. Okay, after that select this one, making this one middle of the artboard. Going to the line tool, simply I'll draw line like this and like this. So you can give the little bit thickness of this stroke like 1 or 0.5 pt. That's good. And making them to alignment or align properly into the middle. Select all the stuffs, going to the Pathfinder. If you want to get the Pathfinder over here, going to the window and find the Pathfinder in this menu, and you will get this one. And after that, here the divide option, just divide this one, right press and ungroup. Okay, here some particles could be appear like this. I don't need to work with that. Deleting these two things. Okay, this one I'll take this one and press the shift and hold it and move it over here. Okay, now this one is intersect. Press Ctrl or Command Y. Let's see the path is joined with each other properly. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now this one I'll bring it over here. Okay, press Ctrl or Command R. Take a ruler according to this line and making this one according to this, and taking another ruler in the downside and making this one same as this one. Okay, that's fine. And deleting all the rulers like that. Okay, press P from the keyboard, pen tool, and press the shift and hold it and drawing another line over here. Select once here and once over here and just press the enter button. Okay, now should select the all stops, press shift M, shape builders tool. Let's see the logo, this one and this one. Okay, fine. So this one will make one, and this one another one, and all these things one and another one. Okay, that's fine. Going to the normal mode here. So you have to provide color over here. So this one, suppose red color or black color. Okay, here some lines could be appear or left. You have to make this one sure the line is not bothering you. Yeah, that's fine. You can make anything actually, it's totally up to you. Now time to provide the color. Here is the color swatch, and here I'll take this one in this window, taking this. Okay, this one, I from the keyboard, select this, select this one, I from the keyboard, color picker, this one, and this one. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. And now this one should be the blue color and this one should be this color. Okay, that's fine. Now time to add the gradient. Before that, press Alt option button and make a copy of this. Select these two things, press Shift M, shape builders tool, and delete this portion. Okay, fine. We have another portion like that, and we'll make this one into reverse into the color. Yeah. Before that, you have to make this one ungroup. Actually, this one is a separated part, and you have to make this one like reverse, and it will make like dimensions. From here, press Alt Option button, make it another copy of this. Press Alt Option button, select all the stuffs, Shift M, and delete this portion. Actually, this portion, and make this one into one portion. That's fine. Make this one into reverse. Yeah, that's good. This one and this one. Press Alt Option button, make this one like that, and select this and this. Shift M for the shape builders tool and delete Alt Option button. By pressing Alt Option button, you can delete them from here. Okay, press Y. And from here, I'll make this one reverse for the gradient. Yeah. G from the keyboard enters the gradient like this. Yeah. G from the keyboard and gradient like this. That's fine. So making this one in a group and into the middle of the artboard, and then going to the rectangle tool, taking an like rectangle or square shape black color, sending it to the back layer. You can customize the color from here, the black like this. Okay, that's good. Going the text tool and making the text like this, making this one bigger, like 68 good here. And from here I'll choose the font, which is the exo, and bold white color, and down this one I'll make to the light font. So make this one alignment properly like this and this. Yeah, that's fine. Select all the stuffs, making it group and making it to middle of the artboard. So you're getting the logo properly according to this technique. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home. Keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.